Good morning. This is All India Radio Kohima. The morning news are read by Jonas Yantan. Nagaland has sent a total of 94,561 suspected COVID-19 samples for testing. As per the daily COVID-19 briefing of Principal Secretary to Government of Nagaland for Home, a total of 58,866 samples have been sent for testing through RT-PCR, 32,289 samples on TrueNat and 3,406 through rapid antigen test till yesterday. The Principal Secretary said, out of the 93,381 results received, the state has a total of 8,296 confirmed cases, out of which 1,798 are active patients and 6,399 persons have recovered. Meanwhile, a state health official said, so far 29 COVID-19 infected patients have died in the state. Clarifying that 22 have died of contagion, he said 6 deaths are not related to COVID-19, while another is still under investigation and 70 patients have migrated. Outcome of 1,180 samples is awaited. Nationalist Democratic Progressive Party (NDPP) President Chinwang Konyak yesterday called upon the electorates of 14 South Nangami 1 Assembly constituency to continue to remain in the ruling party. Speaking during the NDPP flag hoisting ceremony in the residence of its official candidate at Kohima village, Konyak said NDPP is in ruling while the sitting MLA of the constituency, late Viko Yusu, was also of the ruling party. He therefore said the party leaders and workers should work hard together to retain the seat. He said people should be willing to be part of the ruling government. NDPP Working President Alam Demshijamye conveyed best wishes to Yoka, saying being the party candidate is not just an honor, but also has a major responsibility of working for the people's welfare. As the official candidate of NDPP for the by-election, Medo Yoka asserted to work hard to increase the NDPP member in the State Assembly. BJP President J.P. Nadda said that the NDA government has launched various schemes for the empowerment of farmers. Addressing farmers in party headquarters in Delhi yesterday, Nadda said 6,000 rupees have been deposited in the account of 10 crore farmers under the PM Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana. Nadda stated that during earlier governments, many policies had apathy towards farmers, but Prime Minister Narendra Modi took up the cause of the farmers and implemented the report of M.S. Swaminathan. And for the first time, he said a minimum support price of 1.5 times the cost was given to the farmers. Prime Minister Narendra Modi asserted that the centre's vision of Atma Nirbhar Bharat Abhiyan would be strengthened from Bengal. Virtually addressing the people of West Bengal on the occasion of Durga Puja yesterday, Modi appealed to the people to adhere to social distancing norms and wear face masks while taking part in the festivities. He also spoke about women empowerment and said women in the country must be given the respect people give to Goddess Durga. Noting that Goddess Durga was worshipped as a symbol of Shakti, he said his government is consistently working for the empowerment of women. He said from opening Jan Dhan accounts for 22 crore women, giving soft loans to them under the Mudra Yojana, to launching Beti Bachao, Beti Badhao initiative, granting permanent commission to women in the armed forces, and extending maternity leave from 12 to 26 weeks, the government has taken a number of steps for their empowerment. He said through Durga Puja, this year is being celebrated on a limited scale due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The enthusiasm is still unlimited. He said the number of people might be less, but the grandeur and devotion is the same. A teenage girl of class 10 was found murdered in a school playground at Kacharigaon in Dimapur yesterday. PRO Dimapur police informed that one person has been arrested in this regard and further investigation is going on. Meanwhile, the village councils of Kacharigaon, Pevima, Indisen Senjam, Au Yimkam and Kashiram have condemned the brutal murder and also appealed to the investigating agency to nab the culprits and award befitting punishment. And as the nation fights COVID-19 pandemic, let us all remember to stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, wash hands frequently with soap and water, or use hand sanitizer and follow social distancing. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.